How to cook frozen lobster tails without thawing.
Hello there. Today, we'll be tackling an interesting culinary question. How long do you cook frozen lobster tails without thawing? Whether you're preparing a romantic dinner or just want to try your hand at seafood cooking, this simple guide will help you perfectly cook your frozen lobster tails right from the freezer.
Why cook lobster tails from frozen?
First, you might be wondering, why should I cook lobster tails directly from frozen? Well, there are a couple of reasons. For one, it can save time if you've forgotten to thaw them. Also, it's believed that cooking lobster tails from frozen can help preserve their rich, tender texture.
What do I need?
Before we start, here's what you'll need. Frozen lobster tails, the star of our dish, a large pot for boiling, salt for seasoning the water, kitchen shears to prepare the lobster tails, and finally, a timer to ensure perfect cooking.
How to prepare the lobster tails.
Preparing lobster tails for cooking involves just a few steps. Use your kitchen shears to cut the top shell down the center to the end of the tail, leaving the tail fan intact. Be careful not to cut into the meat, only the shell.
How long to cook the lobster tails?
Now to the main question. How long do you cook frozen lobster tails? Once you've brought a large pot of salted water to a boil, immerse the lobster tails in the boiling water. As a general rule of thumb, boil the lobster tails for about 1 minute per ounce, starting count from the moment the water returns to a boil. So, for example, if your lobster tail is 8 ounces, you would boil it for approximately 8 minutes. There you have it. That's how you cook frozen lobster tails without thawing. It's simpler than you might think, and with practice, you'll be a pro in no time. We hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, 1 minute per ounce is the key rule. Happy cooking!